In a whip that you never seen. It got bulletproof glass in the ceiling screen. Let me guess, it cost you like 100,000. No, little bitch, it cost 7 million. I'm doing what you do in your dreams. I fucked your bitch pussy Vaseline. These bitches always want to capture me. Hating ass nigga turn me to me. Fucked all your bitches like 10 to me. On the real, it was just me and me. We don't know how tall your girlfriend is. When we saw her, she was on her knees. I cannot get tired of money, but this money, it will turn people right in and greedy. I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls, he wish that he calls him inside in my left right pocket. Watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch me, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, pop. I ain't even drop no sauce, still pop. I stay with a whole lot of them. Been sitting in my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch this, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, pop. I ain't even drop no sauce, still pop. I stay with a whole lot of bosses. Low, still on some options, stop. All these drugs keep fucking with my conscience. How you from my hood, but you still want some options? Time won't tell, fuck niggas get popped. They fleas, rather than low Uzi, yeah, that's some lose on low. Let's go. I keep changing my clothes, putting on my nose. I keep changing my hoes, same way I'm changing my shows. Yeah, I keep changing my pole, but I'm not changing my shows. Niggas they going outside like a hoe, cause they not following rules. No matter in the world where I'm gon' go, I never tuck in my jewels. Been sitting in my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch this, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, pop it. I ain't even drop no song, still poppin'. I stay with a whole lot of bitches. Been sitting in my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch this, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, pop it. I ain't even drop no song, still poppin'. I stay with a whole lot of
I know it's coming, I'm sick of the waiting. Hop in the bed, rolling on black, I'm in this situation. Don't got me glitching, I'm twitching and shaking. I know you don't need me, I know that you're leaving, I feel the anticipation. Jumping out the road, fuck you, pop, I'm solo. Pussy, put your pole, I pull up, then it's over. Gripping the weapon, I'm getting impatient. I pull up Escalade, bulletproof case, I get escalating. Stop with the love, I know when it's faking. Pull out that pistol, that boy get it shaking. I'm feeling my back and he racing. Jumping out the road, fuck you, pop, I'm solo. Pussy, put your pole up, I pull up, then it's over.
Don't hurt me again. Don't hurt me again. Don't hurt me again. Don't hurt me again. Don't hurt me again, baby. No. What up, love? I need a hug, cause drugs be taking over. Shorty could've taken take it no more, she went loca. No stranger to a rum and soda. I met the hoe while she was slumped over. Shit, I've been good though, I can't complain. I could probably cop a half a plane. Drinking juice just like Jack LaLanne now. I'ma strike it rich any day now. You know I gotta get a plate now. Virtuoso on the keyboard, I rap the eastern seaboard. Jeez, Lord, please leave the Z3 keys before you leave. Don't sneeze on my shit, cause for she's I'ma flip ya. Pedicure, foot slide in a slipper. Tryna do the remix with Pitbull. Tell the violin to shipple. Play the violin with dimples. Life's ironic and it's simple. Smoke good, fuck, eat, drink. Drive nice car, wear all green mink. First time I whacked off was a penthouse. Roses in the bath at the penthouse. Billy Joel at the garden. Should I get a skybox or an 89 IROC? It's always popping at the IHOP. Choke a pussy with his time, now it's my block.